Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Instacart. If you don't have an Instacart account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see an option for sign up. Click on sign up. On the pop-up window, enter the email you wish to use. Then click on continue. Next, create a password. It must be at least 8 characters. After entering, click on continue. That's how you create an Instacart account. That's how you sign up for Instacart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.